Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a very nice symbol which is the love sign. So already for the love sign we already draw a circle here. Now we're going to draw a color and the symbol in the middle. Let's draw the symbol first. All right. Let's put the red color in the middle of the sign. All right. Okay, all right. So the coloring for the symbol is almost done inside. Now we're going to put the brighter color for the borders of the outside. You can see I'm putting the colors. Let's make the color as uniform as possible for the better drawings here. Alright, so the drawing is complete. I hope you like the videos. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icon sound to get the other updates. You can also have browsed through the the playlist, and you can select different categories. You have lots of options and choices. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.